Okay, Professor, what's going to happen now?
Here we are again. All right, so this is a real fun one here. We got that engine all disconnected, ready to pull, and now we're going to take our little forklift here at Marine Tech, put the stinger on, and grab this engine out of this boat and lift her out. So check it out. We are already ready to yank the old engine out of home again. Students did a fantastic job disconnecting everything, which you'll see in all our little video clips that we've taken so far. So. Big day. We're excited.
We're ready. Yeah.
Might cut a giant hole in the floor. I saw that's going to make this job easy.
It's going to make it super easy.
Real easy. Yeah. So let's get started. Get that Westerbeek out of there.
All right, crank her up.
Crank her up. Here we go. Hello.
Got the gas on?
I do. That was for camera. Safety belt first.
What's going on up here?
We're getting ready to attach the chain to the engine, and we're going to remove the engine.
You
It's
love
all
this,
clear.
You love this hole?
Yes, it's very nicely done.
Yay.
Darn backwards engine.
That crew did a nice job getting everything out of the way, that's for sure. Except I noticed they whacked the exhaust in half.
Yeah, I know.
It fell off.
It fell right off. I swear. We left enough pipe so we can just hit it with a torch. It was.
Oh yeah, we'll extract it in the lab where it's
It'll
easier.
be good for Joe's class. So we'll get the clip on and then you can do your adjustments.
Welcome to the Skallywags, located in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where Skagit Valley College has been training technicians since 1968. If you are looking for industry certification and the skills to work in maritime, this is the place to visit. Our staff will share so much knowledge and experience, you will not be disappointed. The workforce demand is very high and all of our graduates are working around the world. If this sounds interesting to you, schedule a tour and come check us out.
This is the benefit of having a simulated yard at a training facility is we have the forklift and a nice stinger pole, which works great for smaller engines like we're doing here. It's totally rated for the job. In the big yards, you'll have a much larger forklift and you'll be lifting out giant engines, but we got all the equipment we need to do this project. And so we just, we did have the overhead clearance, which is tight, but tight is still good enough. We had the boat parked underneath up on the stands and we had enough clearance to get the motor out. So we brought it in nice and easy and set it up, and then check it out. The crew here attached the lifting gear and it looked good.
That crew did a nice job getting everything out of the way, that's for sure. Except I noticed they whacked the exhaust in half.
Yeah, I know.
It fell off.
It fell right off. I swear. We left enough pipe so we can just hit it with a torch. It was.
Oh yeah, we'll extract it in the lab.
We're not going to have vertical to do it.
Are we clear underneath too, Tyler?
Lifeline right here. Yep. Snap lift. I can come down. Whatever you got right.
Let's try and bring her up a little bit and we'll keep an eye on it.
Open up just a minute.
Just nice and easy. Come up a little bit.
Nice.
Okay, hold that. Go back a little bit more.
If he could go up like an inch or two, we'd be good.
Okay, hold there. Go up about 2 inches.
Coming up 2 inches.
He's clear.
One more inch. You're clear, but
Totally clear. Yep.
Totally clear.
Toby's clear. Alright, let's see if we can scratch the light out.
Yeah, just the light, you know.
We can change the bulbs once it's up there.
That's true.
You may not clear that next
Next
beam.
one.
I'll keep an eye on it.
I've got miles on your Kobe though.
Plenty of room.
Miles. Okay, how do I look on the edge of the roof right there?
I think you're gonna clear.
I'm gonna come down a little.
I'll let you know. Be a dead giveaway. Hold it right there. Plenty of room.
You're clear.
Yeah, coming down.
Where's that motor car?
Nice.
Coming back. So adjust our going, they ram a hole in the side of the boat.
Sit around the cradle.
Yeah. Here, I'll try to get you on level ground a little bit. How's my fit? No, hang on a second.
Where do you want it?
Where's the back?
Maybe we ought to install it like a real engine, like instead of a V-drive thing.
Yeah, get the front.
Sick of these
front end
backwards
up.
engines. Get the front up in the air, I think. Coming down real slow. Like it?
Yeah,
It doesn't have to be perfect, it's not a final home.
We're good.
Leave that for a second. Run a screw into it just in case it goes wild coming off the back end. Which never. Just like that. Quick, get the new beta. It's time to put it in.